Today I will share a simple pita bread recipe. You can bake it or you can pan cook it. First, let's make the dough. Yeast, water, add all-purpose flour, salt, and oil. Mix. Knead it into a ball. It doesn't have to be smooth. As long as you don't see any dry flour, you can stop kneading. Rest the dough for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, punch a hole in the middle. Stretch the dough longer. Use your hands or knife to cut the dough into 10 small pieces. Take one small piece. Fold the edges into the center. Now you have a smooth and round-shaped dough. Repeat for the rest. Take the first one, press down, and roll it into a circle. Cover with towels. Rest the dough for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's cook it on the pan first. Medium-low heat, hot pan. About 20 seconds, flip. When you see big bubbles, flip again. Now the bread is going to puff. Total cooking time is under 2 minutes. Pan-cooked pita bread is very soft. Now we'll bake it in the oven. Preheat oven to 450 Fahrenheit with a pizza stone. 1 minute in oven, bread will puff up. Continue to bake for 5 minutes. Oven-baked pita bread has a darker color and it's very crispy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.